Most folks would say I have a bit of a DIY electronics gadget hoarding problem. So these are all laptops that I think I should be able to fix, ranging from different styles and kinds to other things. Not to mention, I've got these micro desktops over here. Got that random desktop I picked up. Got, cables and cables and more cables, and we have this little tote that I've been emptying full of other random laptops and computers. Stack of monitors here. All of those boxes are full of laptops in various conditions. Some are completely worthless, others aren't. Desktops down to, these ones down here are server workstations, other random computer case there. Those can hold dual processors as well as like 128 gigs of RAM or more. And we've got computer headsets and keyboards and mice and more random hardware and more networking equipment and more cables and randomness. I don't necessarily agree, but I do see why folks would think that, given what I've shown you already. Now, if you're just starting out and you are broke and you don't know where to start on when it comes to fixing things, all the stuff I have is a freaking gold mine for you, to be honest, because I'm going to show you how to fix a lot of it. There's some of it that's going to be worth our time, and there's going to be some that's going to be worthless, but figuring that out's also part of the game, right? Learning where to put your time and where to not. I have some methodologies and things that I've figured out over the years of troubleshooting and fixing things. And at this point, I'm hoping I can share some of that with you folks. And those of you that don't know where to start, at least you'll have somewhere to jump off from. So if you'd like to learn, if you'd like to figure out how to troubleshoot some things and fix some stuff, and maybe how to turn, garbage into usable things for every day, please subscribe, comment, and stick around. Hope to see you in the next one.